beautiful outside. Nature in the arms, country. We got them trees. We got them telephone poles. We got them house. A stupid brother.
Be quiet.
Singing a fool and a bus. B-U-S-S. Drop it hard. Don't drop that deck. Trees. Then regret the brother's body. The ground. The sky.
Did you see that?
No. The pencil that my brother left in the driveway. Buggies. The fence that looks like the toilet plunger. A piece of toilet paper. No, not really. We got the mustards. We got the mustard. Spider-Man. He fought it on the fucking ground. Me, balls. Me, balls. To the dance. Then we got my house. The big thing is kind of the garage. Don't judge me. Basketball, I hate it. My brother, he is the champion of video games. He's stupid also. Where are all the cows? There is more trees. Some talking vultures! Yeah, that's right. Fly away home. Stop. Chicken. I raw sewage. What? Pat, good for you. I'm the champion at piano. You might see some of it in my next video. I do not have my YouTube name yet. This is one of my first videos before making the account. So, bye!